Hi, I'm Adam. Today I will show you how to cleverly use filters on your product catalog in Ergonode. Let's say that you want to find a particular product that you need to work on, but you've forgotten what it was called. You can also, among other things, filter the catalog for blank entries. Let's explore the power of filtering together. In the first case, we want to find a particular white bike. On the left side, you've got the list of product attributes, system attributes, and categories. These can work as filters as well. Let's go back to our hunting. If you know the SKU or name, you can just paste it here and the system will search it for you. But if you don't know this data, you need to try to use filters. We remember that the product is a white bike. First, as a filter, we can use categories or product templates. My guess is that our bike will use a template called bikes. I can go ahead and search for that template by going to the system attributes and locating that template. I'll drag and drop it into the product catalog, choose the template bikes, but there are still a lot of them that are assigned to this particular template. Another parameter I wanted to check is color. So I'm looking for this attribute in product attributes. I can either drag it into the product catalog and generate a column from it, or I can create an advanced filter out of it. Just like that, I can search for the color white, and here you can see all the products that have template bikes and color white. Easy peasy. Now let's try with another example. We want to see how many and which products do not yet have a brand name completed. Moreover, their status is something other than new. Using those two parameters, we can create a list of products. To do this, we need to look for the attribute brand name. We drag it first to the table to make it visible, and then we drag it to the top to the filters section. Here we select Show Only Empty Records. Then we can look for the status and system attributes. We drag it to the catalog view and select the statuses that we are interested in. We don't want new products and those that have already been published. Now we can easily add the missing information, even on several products at once. Of course, you can save the particular filter setting in the views for the future. Obviously, there are more uses for filters. I believe that this knowledge will make your work easier and save you a lot of time. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to check out our other tips on our channel.